What's going on, guys? It's your boy Carson here, back with a brand new video. And in today's exciting video, we are talking the one bucket method. Now, is it safe for your car? Will it scratch your car? Well, let's find out in today's video. Now, some people call this a few different things. I've heard it called the dwell wash method, the one bucket method, whatever it may be called. We are going to test it out today. So without further ado, let's jump right into it and get this guy washed. This video we're going to be focusing on the one bucket method, so got to get these wheels knocked out real quick. I'm going to start with wheels and tires here. This is Armor Detail Supply tire cleaner and then Armor Detail Supply wheel cleaner. I'm going to use my normal wash process, clean the vehicle, and I'll come back when we are ready to do the one bucket method. Alright, and we are finished up with the wheels on this vehicle. Now, this car itself is not very dirty. This car was caught in a summer storm, so we got a couple little dirty dust spots around. Some light bugs on the front, but overall it just has a layer of dust and pollen on the car. Now, that makes it perfect for a dwell wash or a one bucket wash. Now, I've used this process with much dirtier cars and had the same results. Everything's been great, but this is your ideal candidate, if you will. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So for today's vehicle, we are using Armor Detail Supply Shampoo Plus. Now, if it was super dirty and full of contamination, what I would do is use Armor Detail Supply Decon Soap or any Decon soap as my first foam layer, as it is a higher pH and it can break down more of that embedded contamination. But for today's video, I'm just using the Shampoo Plus as the car isn't super dirty. So I've mixed up about 100 milliliters into my 1 liter foam cannon. Will be perfect to cover this entire vehicle. So without further ado, let's get foaming. Now, while this is dwelling and doing its job, let's talk about a few things you need to avoid when doing this foam wash method. Now, the first thing is you don't want to be in the direct sunlight, so you don't want the soap to dry on the surface, basically mitigates the entire process. You're letting the soap do the work for you, or the soap do the scrubbing. Second thing is, don't do this again on windy days. If it's super windy, again, that soap's just going to dry to the surface and it's not going to do its job. And finally, do you use more soap? In my opinion, no. I'm already mixing up a 1 liter foam cannon to do my regular washes, and so what I'm doing is just being a little bit quicker when laying the foam down. If I had a super big car, then maybe, but for most standard vehicles, as long as you are conservative when foaming down the car, should be just fine. So it's been about a minute and a half here, so let's go ahead and rinse this guy down, and we'll foam it down one more time. Now this rinse doesn't need to be perfect by any means. You're just going to be refoaming it, so you want to get the majority of the foam off. You don't have to go super crazy like your final rinse. So don't worry if you miss a couple spots. Alright, so we are finished with the first rinse. Now, all we're going to do is foam it again, and we'll get to our contact wash. And all we have to do is just wash it how we normally would with our regular contact wash. I trust this method enough to do whole panels without flipping. And now we rinse the car. Alrighty, that's it. Car's dry, looking good, no dirt, no contamination. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to press the like button and subscribe down below if you like this type of content. Now, thank you guys so much for the support recently. I really appreciate it. Like I said, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to press the like button down below, subscribe down below if you're brand new, and I'm out. Peace.